Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, hello, you're welcome. My name is Rose. I'm a mother, a hairstylist, and also a YouTuber. In this channel, we show a lot of videos, really like cooking, talk about life experience, lifestyle vlog, and we also share some hairstyles. So, if you're interested, be sure to subscribe, turn on notification bell so that anytime we upload, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, I'm back again today with another video. I'll be showing you guys how to make a very delicious beans and fried yam. So these are my ingredients. I already peeled my yam, have some tomato, onions, I have some microfish, and I also have palm oil and my beans and crayfish too. So the first thing I'll be doing now, I will wash the beans and I will parboil it for like 30 minutes because this one is red beans. This one is very easy to cook than the white one. So I will just boil these beans for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I will come back and check it. So the next thing I will do after boiling my beans, I will now cut my fish and fry it and then set it aside. Please, if you're washing your fish, make sure you wash the inside very well because sometimes there are some dark tissues that are always inside this fish. So when you don't use your knife to pull all of them out, if you after cooking the food while you are eating the fish, those things will very bitter in your mouth. So make sure you remove all these things out from the fish. So you can see my fish now. I've washed and clean it. And the next thing I did, I blend my tomatoes, my onions. I put one onions inside the blender with the tomatoes and I blend everything together. So at this point my beans is almost done, so I added the seasoning cube and some salt, and again I went ahead and I fried my yam. I don't know why this yam was looking so dark, maybe because I don't know, but the yam was very sweet, but me looking at it it has another color. I don't know why. So guys, the next thing I did after frying my yam, I put some vegetable oil inside this frying pot and I add some little bit of palm oil and I add my onions and give it a very nice fry. So after I fried these onions for like 2 to 3 minutes, I added my blended tomato, everything inside to give it a very nice fry before I will pour everything inside the beans. So the 3 onions you saw before, I used one in blending the tomato, the pepper, and the crayfish, everything, and I used the remaining to fry this sauce, because one thing about beans, if you use enough onion to cook beans, the taste is different. The taste is very different because onions give beans a very nice taste. If you have not tried it, you will know, you will see what I'm talking about. So after frying the sauce, I pour everything inside this pot, inside the beans, and I turn everything together and leave it to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes before I bring it down. Make sure you turn everything together. At this point you have to really take your time. Make sure you turn everything together so that the whole sauce will soak inside the beans and everything will just go well. And again, make sure you lower your gas or whatever you're using to cook, because too much heat is not good. If you leave it, if you allow the temperature so high, it's going to burn your food, and I know you don't want that, especially beans. When beans get burnt, the whole taste will just change. So make sure you don't keep your gas or whatever you're using a very high temperature. So guys, after everything, look at how my beans is looking. I have my yam, my fried fish, and the beans. Guys, if you know you have not tried this, make sure you try it. Very, very delicious. So guys, how do you rate this video? I hope you learned something from it. Please, if you're watching this to this extent, you've not subscribed, please support me by subscribing. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.